Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Love of Food. Today, we're going to be working on a little surprise that we have for the adults for this weekend for Halloween. And the first part of this means that we need to infuse some bourbon with some bacon. So we're going to start today and do the infusion process, and then we'll make the Jello shots later in the week. So if you haven't already guessed, they're going to be apple cider bourbon bacon Jello shots. Isn't that going to be fun? The adults coming for trick-or-treat are going to love it. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with 4 slices of bacon. We're going to cook that up nicely. And then we are going to place that in a 10-ounce mason jar along with some Maker's Mark whiskey. And you can use any good bourbon, but I happen to like Maker's Mark because it is a good bourbon and it will come through, the flavor will come through nicely. And then what we'll do once we have that infused, which was going to take many hours, is we'll do a little test to see how this works with some unflavored gelatin that we had before and a little bit of cider just to make sure we have our mixture correct. And then we're going to be able to save that infused bourbon for Saturday when we make our final Jello shots for everyone. All right. Hope you enjoyed. Hope this gives you some ideas and maybe some motivation to do something fun for the adults on Halloween.